Hello, everybody. My name is Aubrey Bradshaw, and I'm a Northern Colorado real estate agent, your singing realtor on YouTube, helping first-time homebuyers, relocation clients, and new construction lovers like myself get into their next chapter and unlock their dreams of home ownership. This episode here is going to be about first-time homebuyers and feeling a little bit overwhelmed. So let me show you the easiest way for you to become a homeowner, and it might not be a resale home. My personal favorite is new construction, and new construction makes it easier, and I'm here to tell you why. New construction homes is one of the best options for first-time homebuyers. And the reason why I personally think that is because you guys skip so many steps and so many stressful surprises with the new homes. The homes are clean, they're move-in ready, and usually you get a modern floor plan, updated finishes and warranties that protect your budget right from the start, which is one of my favorite reasons why I like to get my first-time homeowners into new construction homes. So another thing too with new construction is the builder incentives are insane, guys. They usually at the end of the year, which right now is the perfect time, builders are offering massive incentives. So things like rate buy downs, closing cost credits, free upgrades or appliance packages. So these perks might make your monthly budget or monthly payment lower, and reduce that cash that you need to bring to the table. And so for a first-time home buyer, I personally think that is huge. Another thing is less stress, less competition. Resale homes, you're most likely going to be competing with 20, 30, sometimes 10. Right now, we're not seeing really that much in the market. However, there are some bidding wars that are still out there. So you do have that competition sometimes. With new builds, you literally walk in, you choose the lot, you choose your house, and you're under contract, which for me, that sounds like the easiest thing on the face of the planet. So you don't have to deal with a bunch of chaos and a bunch of fighting back and forth with the contracts for a resale home. Another personal favorite of mine with new builds is the warranties. Warranties, peace of mind is kind of what I think of it. Usually with the new construction homes, you get a 1-year builder warranty, a 2-year mechanical warranty. So anything mechanical in the home that goes wrong, call them, they come out, they fix it, you're good to go. And then a 10-year structural warranty. So this means if something goes wrong, you guys are protected. As a first-time home buyer, I cannot stress how important this is sometimes to just take the new construction route, just so that you have that peace of mind, have that stability of oh my gosh, if anything goes wrong, I get to pick up the phone and I get to call this builder and say, hey, here's what's going on. They send somebody out to fix it and you are good to go. So that is another reason why I personally chose a new construction home, because I didn't really know all the steps that I needed to take for it to be, upgraded, or if there was something wrong, who do I call? So really great peace of mind, really great for those first-time home buyers, especially if you don't know anything like me when you first buy your home. Another personal favorite of mine is your realtor, y'all, is free for you to bring. So a lot of people think that if you take your real estate agent to your new construction home, they get upset. They do not. They actually love it. So bringing your own realtor to new construction costs you this much, $0, but it gives you everything. So we give you the negotiation, the advocacy, protection, and someone watching out for your best interest. And one of the things that I like to remind people is, if you walk into that sales office without an agent, totally fine, but the sales agent works for the builder. They are not going to be protecting anything for you personally. So if we did our final walkthrough in the home and you guys didn't see something and a couple months later it brings up, it's always nice to have that real estate agent there to kind of point those things out, just so that you, again, are protected. Also, if anything goes wrong with the home building process, we can try to get your earnest money back or take another reroute. It's very important to have somebody on your side when you are doing those those new construction contracts. So if you are a first-time home buyer looking for a very smooth, simple, and stress-free way into homeownership, new construction might be the perfect fit for you. So if you would like a list of the new construction communities here in Northern Colorado, please reach out to me. I would love to walk you through the next steps and where we can go check these new homes out. But otherwise, send me a message. If you even have questions, I would love to answer them for you. I'm here to help you. So drop your questions in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and I will answer every single comment in the comments, as well as every single email or message that y'all send me. So thank you guys so much. I will be doing these videos every single week, Wednesdays at 3 p.m. So if you have any suggestions or want to hear something else and more informative, I would love to hear them. So drop it in the comments below, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. See you next Wednesday. Bye.